Hey Royal Ruby subscribers, this is another beach video, right? Yep, I'm back at the beach enjoying the low tide. But anyway, getting ready to take a walk on the beach. Just wanted to do a quick video for you. Gonna tie into this video a review that I did on a product called the Mighty Sink. I hope you enjoy the video. I did this while my house was being done, my kitchen was being done, and never got to post it. So I thought I better put it online for everybody so they can get one if they do come into a time in their life where they need a sink, a portable sink. It's a great option when you go camping, when you want to do some outdoor entertaining and need an outdoor kitchen. It's also great for times like what I needed it for when my kitchen was being remodeled and I didn't have a sink for a month and a half. So I hope you enjoy the video. So watch it the whole way through, guys. And I'm gonna go for a walk on the beach. Hey everybody, it's Royal Ruby. I'm here at my tiny house. The reason why I'm doing this video is in preparation for this demolition remodel kitchen thing. I knew I'd be without a sink for God knows how long, you know, probably up to a month and a half or so I'd be without a sink. So I went online to Amazon and I found this thing, this sink, and it's called a Mighty Sink. Everybody that's been in here, every contractor has loved it. They wash their hands here, they love it, they want it for their boats, for their campers, and I gave them all the link and I told them how they could get it. So I thought I'd do you guys a favor too, let you know about it because you are my peeps. So you should get firsthand knowledge of all my special gadgets because I am the gadget queen, okay? So here we are. We have the Mighty Sink. Now it's powered by this USB, which they sell these separately on Amazon. It's USB powered. You could put these into a 5-gallon bottle of water and have it at your campsite, have fresh water, wash your hands. A lot of people use these in their van. So that's what this is. It comes with the Mighty Sink and you just put it down this hole that they have in the plastic part of the sink. It goes down inside here and there's a little holder down there so that it's always facing down so that it's always sucking the water up. This can hold 2 gallons of water. You fill it right here in this little area. I use a 2-gallon bottle of water and a gallon bottle of water. I fill it twice. I do it over in the bathtub because I can still go to use the bathroom. Fill it at the bathtub, dump 2 gallons in, and then there's a fresh water and a gray water side. So once it's ready to be emptied, you can either unscrew this little thing at the side here. It's right here at the side. I'll show it to you. It's a drainage hole. Or you can, like I do, I just go outside and dump it. That's what I do once it gets. You'll know when this is running out because it'll make like a gurgling sound. It has a 10-second button and a regular button. If you hold it for this, you get 10 seconds of water. See? 10 seconds. And it shuts off. Okay, if you use this one, it'll just run as long as there's water down there to suck up into. So that's the premise for the sink. It's just basically a portable sink with a USB powered spigot. What's awesome is you can put there's a little ledge here for your soap dispensers. You can wash your hands at the campsite. It's awesome. And then it has a little paper towel holder that has one of those lock-in features so you won't show that to you. It hooks on the side with these hooks and then you just clip it in. So that's that. And then if you want to get a close-up, that's what it looks like. You can see I use it a lot. Then over here you have another little handy dandy clip-on device for your sponge and your Dawn dishwashing liquid, that kind of stuff, which is pretty handy as well, and it also just hooks on the side. Okay, so that's the Mighty Sink. On Amazon, it costs $210. Now, I know that sounds like a lot, but when you're remodeling your kitchen or doing any kind of camping and you need a sink, a portable sink, this is not that expensive. It's really well made. You can even use this outside when you're having a picnic out back in your yard. You have your propane grill going. Just want to have a little portable sink to wash up while you're working, doing your outdoor kitchen. You can make a nice little outdoor kitchen with it, actually. So yeah, I'll leave the link below. And it's my latest gadget, guys. You know, like I said, I'm the gadget queen. But I'm going to kind of show you, hopefully I can just take all this stuff off. You just pop off so I can show you how I empty it. So this just, you push this in, you push that in, it just lifts off, okay? And underneath here, I still have water left. I really wouldn't have to change it right now. I have almost all the way up on the gray tank, but there's still plenty there on the fresh water side. If it starts to get smelly, I mean, you could change it early, but it's not ready to be emptied yet. But basically, I just go out the front door and empty it. But if you don't want to do that, there is a little drain on this side. I'll show it to you here. You can see it has a drain here that you just open up and you can drain that out onto the ground if you're camping. I myself, don't have anywhere to drain it here. Or you could have a hose hooked up with it that can drain that way in as black water. But I really love it. And like I said, $210 is not a bad deal. It's not that deep, it's not that deep of a sink. But I'm telling you guys, I love it. And I've been without a kitchen now for a week, and this has saved the day. I just fill it up with my gallon jug from the bathtub water, and I love it. So $210, guys, on Amazon will get you this mighty sink. Oh, I forgot to show you, the mighty sink does come with these covers. So you can cover it up when you're not using it if you want to with this cool elastic thing. And to carry it into your campsite and stuff, you have a nice carry bag they give you with it. Now, my next gadget that I want to show you is this really cool fan that my grandson got me because he burned up my other one. This one is better. This one has a remote control with it that you can turn it on with. You can rotate it. Push the button, it'll go to rotate. It has different speeds. You can hear it speeding up. I think that's high now, low, medium, and high. Down here it tells you what your level of power is. I'm at 100%. And here you can just push these buttons instead of using the remote control. And I have it at a 90-degree rotation right now. You can set it at 45 degrees. And it does come up one more speed. So that's 4. It has 4 speeds. And here it tells you what speed you're on, the green light down there. And you could set your timer for it to go off in an hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours. So if you want to go to sleep, you set your timer, you can. But it's a really nice little fan, and I'm really glad he got it for me. It also has a light, low, medium, high. So yeah, I'll have to get you the link for this as well, because this was something my grandson ordered for me. It is an Orteen, O-R-T-E-E-N fan. I love the color. The beige is pretty. Should go with everything. And it looks like you can hang it just like my other fan. See, it has this, that hook on the bottom obviously pulls up and then you can hang it. So yeah, I'm really thrilled with it. And my other green one still works. It just doesn't work as good as it used to. So I'll put the link below for this as well. I just have to get it from my grandson and tell you how much it is and everything. So those are my latest gadgets that I got for my camping. But what's cool about camping equipment, guys, if you need to bug out, and I consider this a bug out because I'm without a kitchen. As you guys can see, I don't have a sink. I don't have a dishwasher right now. I don't have a stove. And I have this, my mighty sink. This comes with the mighty sink. I don't use it though, but it's like a little drying rack. I don't use it. I mean, it's cute and everything, but I just use a towel here on the counter. Hope you enjoyed the gadget reviews, guys, and I'll see you down the road.